New TV? Check. Pair of scissors handy? Check. Friends nearby to help out? Check, check. Oh, and a sturdy area with a soft non-abrasive blanket to place the TV on? Check. I think we're all set to begin unboxing our TV. The following process is the same for 2019 55-inch, 65-inch, and 75-inch televisions, even though your TV's box may look a little different than the one pictured. Cut the box straps and open the box. Remove all of the contents from the top along with the quick setup guide. Then take out the top styrofoam. With the help of a friend, remove the top portion of the box. Be sure to remove the styrofoam piece protecting the front of the display. Now if your TV is curved, you'll use this piece to place your TV on top of. Refer to the orange sticker for guidance on how to properly orient your TV on the styrofoam. Now depending on the model of your television, there may be additional content such as a one-connect box and a stand. Go ahead and remove these at this time. It's the moment we've been waiting for, taking our TV out of the box. Be sure to keep your hands on the protective padding and don't squeeze the TV screen directly. Some TV models may not have protective padding, so just be sure to carry the TV using the edges. Now placing one hand in the groove near the base of the TV and the other hand on the top corner of the TV, carefully pick it up and place it face down onto the blanket or styrofoam. Place the bottom of your TV near the edge of the surface. This will be a big help when you're attaching the stand. Be sure and check out our stand installation video to see how to properly install the stand for your television model.